nam kademni lunyam gunda bara na lura bunti nam kademni lunya dana kapul kabanya baisho na lura bunti nam kademni man na bagu yarshe na balu yarshe يعني يغسل امبانا اتوننا
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله.
Goodbye, Professor. Today I'm going to talk about the person cutting your arm. There's all the brains on that. Jumati to come out to Zabio, Misabuka, Yamo, Misabuka for sale, ko Pinish Jumati, to my program line up, only be there go to a Maui Chabuka, go to the program line up. The gas program. Those all didn't so to money for come. They got to my Dagombas, those all the current cutting. She wanted those all Miss Alcantara and Filavia. There's all 41 for pound. Why are so behind about? Catch up for money in the gas. There's all enough say, like Martin, Miss Alcantara. Talk to you.
Salam alaikum. Take it longer than Yasun pound. So, you should probably a computer handle as I'm bringing them to go to beach in Jason Mama. Anytime I marry you can feel down the back. So look what Zoom is from near Tia Dagbon and come to Canada. I don't know. I'm a Zoom Mama. You know that TV. You check out BTT. Though I'm Canada Zoom with. I'm a Johnny. Zonya na bi yo kai ta mun ne so lo kuna ji ta mun zo ta kula mu ba da kinyas nyen su da mun wonu ko ni da gombe na mun nyanga do ko na kon dan gibu dan yimpa kana da mutu son ku kati shi mu zahaban bima kami da gombe na Maybe you get a shell and come on the Dagombas. Yeah, we shall be to soon. The Vika Ryan will introduce over. Or you see them come near years. Woman of glass haka. Or me or introduction, you back. There's only introduce them on the introduction. We be in sunshine. The summer will put some knowledge. Kweyame inumanya simpam the commandant comes home no sikati ka nye kuba hati the Dagombas be homa. Can you just talk to my Dagombas? Jizo yindi na shamani ni na simpam the Bahayinela te DC metro area Try telling them like to bash our little land. You know that in Guama. Let the Dagombas plan, they no agenda in here. The way they get the Dagombas, you would have no agenda. And you don't put yet to the Dagombas. I'm a me agenda sign the number one. Minta Dagombas she was me. O Vishnia number yen bet the Dagombas. Number yen minute bet to Sunsunny, Limpal Zahan. So I the Dagombas can ban to yell Abala O agenda. On Tinama O agenda number one yella the Dagombas and number meaning bet to Sunsunny. I leave the bank to bank Cardinal Belfort. We started back in late 68, had to buy L20s. the bank come to stand still. Mishana Buchentu, to Mizahamid in time. Kumban in Tahama, people till Lama, the Bambana vision yelling. Number one, at the man and Bayinda. And the Pamania at the default Kumang, yellow kind of world, and from Kumang Song Young Kayan by default. So Tia Nation is that never use your own. It's a hammy be shouting the young so being here. It's a higher phone call, smart. Don't want to be a younger. So Tia Nation is never use your own. About Tia Nation and the bound to follow. Again, the Bamana Toya, and now on Ditchila, catch up to bunker money, or visioning your shells and channel the bound development. Is a how woman the bound development fund when launched together. Is a higher video match, is a how woman the Panela is a how woman the bound development fund man. Number one, when you are to me, and you are not. And the last for my coach. Result the government DT, feel as a part, the bank development fund my problem. And you are not in my problem. I get to buy officially nature, then challenge the Dagombas and the North America. I air. American the Bambina American and North America. So, on yet is a channel of vision, only vision now, local, the Baracoin. I do want the children who go Yana. Now, put your belly. Kaka, Nirba. There's only a social concept here. Child is in the Bambina Yanda. Omelo vision shelma katito ucha vision matcham kanya vision ni zani na waizo the pala ni kuno kompotuma yenja tisaye yenja demi pala ni kaliko tisaye pala bela the bambia ni nyaba be zabeni bizo tisaha solomon ko tan ko bashal ko kaya majani teka bambia ni la sahama bari zanyela Dagombas katubore tinye nisham katubon champo katmalam na tumambe chingwa kayen kafun kayen nyama kayen kafun na kawle hanya rizo Dagombas disi metro area mwa kambe mga katigina Dagombas na vision ni shelma kati son kala la fishima kati nyedinye chamsi so enche boka video viti tubanita kaza mic Dagombas ka oditi fila kati bari so kamni no fishima ni shokolo shele so rakati netimbo ma kati ina tuson Dagombas ka Dagombas la chitoni kama bila kumesema. Salam alaikum. So pourquoi comment depuis le man they introduce the Dagombas au passé Allah Muhammad Umar mbami introduce au chef ama Allah Umar mani shena yo onu kan shena ka be onu halu ni biye bisani yan wani mu amma ni biye ma yi shewu ni Allah Muhammad ina shi ne yi wata shi din fa Allah Umar na da zonna ina kuce na dan shi kana fur ka ko na America bon Onyele nini kaida manta abri kai shi sanin kuri wala nan pam so ka pam so hazo na pam so rizo More than it is a high note, but how long you get to finish it? It's a high note. There's only a color my child like the company or the consumer.
Antele ma bihe. Namai tanan banza bi kenyala ma bi. No ba bihe. To zuwa tapsana usuru pardia pam ne kana ketinye nambo shabe tanan banza anaki. No di yuya kan je shaba zuwa kan de nanya ba. Lezo te pakar na wuni ne wani tinye bana lafiya ka tazala la bantu. To ma bihe wani ta ka tatalla ban shi abagari yaya nisura boho na wula nan ne da mamana ma wani bi shuhune zanka da banfulo to pasan na chimba Dagbon mala yeto shere Dagbon jiyama linwana Dagbon yarabu tuma Eastern Dagbon tunumbi yine ko na kamal Western Dagbon na ame yuti sheba toujours la Eastern Dagbon Eastern Dagbon ka bukosa Katles na tlan zo Western Dagbon zo tumila yaba limosa ko mabi abakan yara nare 68 za at world shia kana ami tika kontomo to transfer ko ben sharadun musulman Dagbon kanya yara anda tsabab nyala benya kanyere ne bete table kanyere ne jire to bete table kanyere ne jire de tahalla jealous me yiti shel polo pour parler ne nule de journée dan le nyedine obenya kakanatie ne zakala tu zakala be mungara ka zakala yaroma to be yel somanie obevihe obevihe ma wo kosotai to on kosotai no wakati jiwo nyama bisa albarai ma mene kanama ni zo mbala yi borbe sa halo yi ni den yan so Obian son yomi da won kana tiro ni kana turo so mun sare kana bukata mir kan lamma kana zo di pana to mama kana ji to ko ne njae to malgo den to ama ji pana to mama kana ban yin kana aisha ka so kana tiyara Nezala jaye to hojishambolo tura kutakata shidimane abole when kana tumashika so kidam wala taxes wala dina da mai dan zo acha miyama dinum pare so kuya kamna so ko jile unga shire ka bo yokulo ka awu ko ne bayyana me do marada so be yele ma mune yele no ko to yele mo yele to damme yitoma do malba do tobe do be yeto ayele ya to ba me ku fa ina ne sa nonde akula ko ba do ma be ma ne so de to asenyela solo dan na pa ma ba ka de yele ya tika anzanse ma me ne katini ma ben shayi zan tin kan san sama tin shila tin ke ka tin to ba kan man jeni te da ban bi ya ma bi da ban sele be da ban tare to ba pire me te ba buhan le me na wannan nan tin da ba da zuwa ta tin shi ya ga ni yin kuke ne kana na wani ka zaksima domin na wani nama bai sha'awa nama na tafana da zuwa shi ka so ce no ban no ke da ban ne kuma yin kuwa mun da ka bar ban yau be ban yau domin bai shi ma o bai yi sun nan tuki da ban ban ne da tafana ko ko do on ne tafana da zuwa yi ka ke da ban ne ya da zo bi ne da bai sha'awa a ga man ce ni ma ne kuma a ka fi yana ni da bai zaɓa dan zo ma bihi tijere ka namba yin bien tene mebe yo bonete te sabaro kama ndaro ko yalla suje denen te sabaro ne banya ka yere ne bo won ka yere ne nan dama domi somi zan nan dama ma zan ne lebna wale nan dama ana kana ka tuma na to fuga anune na mun de ta tanya bunna la bi ya alhamdulillah gol musobbo na kom nan tuma ka wala ka yan mun ne tuma be me yin bola da zan yi na ti yaso zakala da ku na mo kom tuma don mo an sarse do me den nan kurtin bala an sarse de bu fiera de pago su mo ma de to ba ga biama jela ka to sun tabe sun ke more domin yin yalde so ye na on je kaman to so na ba no bon nan pashe yule yan bone ai dan yi bin shakam ai ba so so na to so so de aban su bra de bin shakam bi abranya na mi bin shakam so mi le gat Binchaka na wuni so biane na wuni cheme ka omi yeto amai no sabro kugosa ka so bi no dosa baga zon zan zamani no ji yeto ha wati fila ka nyon ka so bi yin cham tumane bon dozo on lebe no ni ni baka tuma ma bien yela ama ka so bi no mituma ma pa ma ye no ni nda ga no ka tuma ko to ni ne ba to de ka simi so ban ban ka bol se wani tak no kala mo ku bar ko ka ta shiro te be so tuma to na nye te sa sun ka ku ban ta ma zala on ni bin ya kaza de zo mun ka nan ka furci ni karba na bo mulanye abaka da yawa yalma o ka bu danna Mami nini shela ni go, ashena ni ho ni so. Ayu na America ye to ka she ni go. Ka bien no bezan anon lo ne. Azan do la start na proba na pa de JCC. De la yan bo na America ma. To di no da ba yu do men yo an to ka na yu ma nu ka be mi ayo bu nyaga. Bo le nya be mi ayo bu nyaga. Do ma be mi system man be shi. Yawan wannan sankafa marin da kan buwan jirgina sha asibiti ne kana ban kuma na dirshi ami ku to kana kan yin kunya da ne ga can tuma ne ka kuna ma bin bon ne yele din yele la ka kana yawan na atun titi fi ka da mu an to bin tuma har ga shi ti ya ma ne yawan male to shere an kun yele gar ba shi ma don na ne ku ne dambe du yele ne an kun yɛlɛ ka bɛ shɛma bɔhan ya bin bɛ yɛŋɔ ka bi yɛlɛ yɛŋɔ yɛ tɔɣa yɛŋɔ di pala yan tum tuma ka bi yɔɣa laɣi shɛli di nyɛla a yi tum tuma ka bi yɔɣa laɣi maa di nyɛla pali maa laɣi shɛli di jɔŋɔ niŋ la nyɛ bi taɣisi saha kam yɛla a bi gari son to kana ka lihi o income ka di paai 1 million ko mini o paɣa shɛya tooni n sabiri liɣiri zuɣu ka lihi ka so kana o me ka laɣisi ni ba 50,000 ko mini o paɣa shɛya tooni n diɛmdi ka lara domin ko bang la yawa ye toa amma ba mi yawa ye toa domin tanan ban yin na sa kam to bor min tadda ayye ka banyete be ne to bor ka to kul yama titi to ma ka nyere zagalan chen mo yana ban ya ba be yime mi haka na ma ma wajela na pra mam chen nda yer nirba come to Nutuma, the Mal Bank one bank account. You go, Mamma, I got my sugar for the Dagbon account. Dagbon account, or the guy you are on first. I did a little bit shock, and you go, I got a piece of got to go in mind. Look at it. The weapon to find it a dancer, Nama canning, a back canning, a yup canning. You might have to bag than a baka, Uncle Casanaga than a baka, or soon tell you. That's why they pass. I'm able to credit cards. I tend to put in town. But the program again because as I'm sure I don't channel for sure. My bees were eating it. You may credit cards, man. Can you tell your mum? Your mum and I are okay. We know so love it. Can I come at degree? Hey, no gentleman masters. Why you museum? Can you have a master? I couldn't look down. We are the boys work. No tapping no master. Man, you might have your land, but we are your way. But you so love you like a chaka and a bit. When I'm at the next 6 months to my computer class, this time your computer software brand and the curriculum. Hey, chapter number Chira. I know me tell you my guy to ma. The la compromise you are masters that I already said. Why you want to share go chat number. But I don't know about to my young. Tell I got a year to be among the company young. I can a little book now. The yellow bill of book and I can not got the guarantee. I got not got the guarantee. Can't love you now. I'm not going to say. I'm out now, but you want that Singapore. Kajana disama. To I naga fair degree, Ganya, bomb two shell to my man to you are master star. Kadwa PhD tab on an PhD. I'm able to go like Karam, maybe I don't buy you Pinu, you come away. I don't come watch and now you are put like you are Pinu of your natural retirement. I don't get to share you. The cunning. Me yere mini re karam ma me ayam karam the bon na karam ka bu bola yushele ko ha ma ayam karam shele karita tuma ka ro so an bi ben yinu jesu na je won yim bo aba na be tuma ne de ko nya da ba ka bo yalan tazo har shebra kana holedi ko ba ba nam tuma ka tuma chira ta kan ye ja bi la tuma na har bombo bi mande man ko ba son to ai an ko ma ne yelo ga bata idin ya yelo na won ta ganin sa dan zo ta kuma tun ma ka to son ta ba kamar in ma se kama an ye yelo na won ta le ka ku so tuma ma ta le do mo bra mo no be shakam do to ji makarin yeti Don't be teacher got to man number yini. Domi mina pergale bedroom one. You would pay Simisi to the Shebra party is not rather or shillings and pounds. Lord, I beg a ball, J. One pyramid, the pergale trouble and J. There can be a Naquam and poor and that J. This wouldn't check out the bumper try Capuchinella. I can number in it. To the men who have so come down. Yet, do be an account group when you so got. Ama be young perga account group, my Benelas, ye now your point. Come, but I want ye pay. Munchema, then your combo, no calm your combons. Remember my power. Come on, Shant. Come on, Bron. Come on, Safia. Come on, there, Akim. Come on, there, Fancy. I will have done a Pierre now, your point. I'm at the one to 2 million Ghana. Tamal Congo almost 1.2. Niya tamal population. Katamala kusala nako. Congo tamala kusala 47. Bekala. Katamala kusala nako. Amata barakadini. Tanambana to labga yala tanamban shi to na won YouTube pamkabu yute. So ne bla gani na YouTube pamkabu yute. Domin tanamban da to wata jiya gana to gu ko. Nzan son ko nti yali yamma ka bugumta. Na anu yute shamba. Na anu la yute shamba tabiya kulli yan antala basirgan nan da bace tutuma. Mun ga takara yugo ko kulli ta basirgan nan da bace tutuma. To yanda bohama no bonne tahal kaza malshi mambe amaya shi nyende yuke mpa yumpia kada yara ayan labla yina mtugol politicians no beta tuma to yanda bohama amma bihi yon arsi chibeni amma do mira bobo de men yala ayan golsham mbole de kaka prechi the information. I can information. As I was one, the Puna Harkan as what to cheat. Kabisha me buina. I may you look near na number shot. So me now, this year now, my the sour ugly in Yara, so yellow men. Nay, not a number. Meanwhile, open me the sooner never. Open me when shout over bottle. Mangoma ya jere tam kam abakan ne yare yonto suga bolma buko ka bolma bo haban shara hala yi bin ne to aniya tamma da mata nagalu bare so baragan zan lagara kun lagara bare so nafsala information mata do mamane ai chan tamane ko manga anye loya ko nyazo ko manga anye bank ko nya Bangu webe banku bunyazo. Mama ganya accountant bunyazo. Mama ganya real estate officer bunyazo. Niruba na wanya kam the daughter. Halbin yede karachin mo. Kamu sukutu mo. The mal information. Ka kunja sukuru da gona to yera na nan mo benta scholarship ke ka karam. So tana mara karam bana manjanu mun zakla tos manjanu mun zakla tos da sahama da garyan mabihe da garya no bono suwe shabai nyela maparnin mo yene de la fila wo me ya ye to anwo ma pende mo asian mo nyama ayi mali daga ka ayi daga zamana nyawo orija na kuzamana nyawo mini pana ipaba dalna imani na berbali yan bolna de dan shele ayi dana kudinji wahala ka tikuma to pana dan shele kayan kiple amanzan nazi wa atakanya la tahaba maka banyan tambana aida kana nango ai kana tsalu dole aidana abana yitsaba yime yisaba umwal kaba du wahalayya da tamma wahala karamin Dihi yudhiane, dihi maayam kwanin jiru wahala. Neyari ama bahanya shughlo imuni idani ma. Dome de yisari idani mo shuhunyala wula. Ojiru wahala yuwar bil kam. Kada hanshel faratu bago. Wo yelo baka tuham tum amashira nunye paham mana. Kapangwa yelo ka. Kaida ama yinte di samle mpago bil mo shughlo. Apa ti jang kuma ko fi nanya Western Union ka de duya ka sisu duya ka lawo ko chani ma ka do wadi ta wai ka yin mas ka sabadi kana to amela ne do ke ne kama Dagbon kurna wanya la do no na ben shaka ka ya ka anya la mo bon ben shaka mi go ben shaka do ma de ko ma ko ka ma ama la na to da bu chen la ben dan zo ka saran na chimba barba kamal bi da hadari yara amma da ban ba ce da kanan ban yin da su nan ban yin ma yi biere yara kan fito yanzu dan zo ma bi wanda shi ya ko mun ke bu twasara ci yi so nyen ko mo phone bala amabima yelo bahaya shughul abakana ya development fund shalama bayani development fund ma gazo ma nem ko nyel komiti no meeting ndela dine dinyara wula ne nyele yel zongo ko nyela mete tam nyele do be vie to nyele na mo be mina zonga ayi na sukuru polo biane do mete jiamo Dagbon ma loya nam kan ama dote no ma hada bon dote no ba biane bri bu zoya ama kon sun changa be ka ta kanyel ba dan zo ci ka ka na ma ta la ka ta jala ka ta bi hanu bi hanu bo kam chani polo to po han bi kana ka ta kulan tu bi gana yur ga je bi yam pibe ban piba to la ne development fund ma dan zo bi ya ne to tuama to ko ai to man kan san su bien ka to tuha tare na man ku tuha abaga je na ga me ya na yile kana garba kam ya me ya na yilmaci din yala ya na yile na garba ko to bi ni ma ne yu ko shi din yala ya na yile ta jan san shen to miyar tu yo tan mamman na yile no ka ta ya sin ta ya tu ta ba ta mi ko yo ne kama ya na yile bon dan zo ma bi to ko na ta ma yimmi ka farabe yana تنبغى كل بيت يا مان حتى فون بيل ثم شيل الفون كاش نقدر $100 قولي يمشي بلانت تنبغى يوم كم أقول ما يوم أنت الفون كاش يكون يوم أقول ما تنتظر $100 لما يسمون كل بيني نقول فون كاش كابوجا أقول ما قولنا أما بيام بولي يوم لا كتير ننكب ده أقول شامتو Then I did my fila. I'm going to hear it. I did my fila. Come back at Yam, the doctor will cut to try. Garajela, Zagalam of Yalam was Zagalam of Yalam with the Kalam. The one woman, my brother, Bumba something invested. Merga, my way, I found a business changing up a new pullet. Yes. Ti yuri kaje maka da banko ka buzuru beya ko ponton ko ba buzura ama anya accountant so be aba anya nation ka suma balge de to balge to ko mala yo bi ko ka tuma ga chan tuma ma no to ko ben izan swala shi ko tuna ma juma anya bo dan zuwa inda yelo tin yo ga radio station mande TV station so kuna to non ka bu go san so da shi kuna bi an kana kan ta ba ga sabne so mun ko lan chan ti di la na ayan kana shi accountant office ka bi ka di si di para montra mi announcement ka receipt kan torna da la ko tu na hanshi aya go bi yara pamber ka tin to ta ni ma bi dan zo tin yan ni shem to ta la nyala tin ban be to tin to da machine bi kule to kwampa tuma ti kwa tuma ka ner mi nyar tuma dan zo ma bi mun kam gora nyen nya babbar shala ayan to zan can ta kwa tuma kadi da mu shen bayya anya bo dan zo ma bi machine yung polo bi tiri jala ka ko so tan te di jala ka ko be yara pambe ka tunu do ta Won kan be ke yimi kamale hala kabra ngara radio station. At the time to radio station, kan yelba so it me hala ke me karo. Ka be yelma ni taman ni hala. Ma yelma me ti me tin karo. Anya go to. Ama pun ko tamale di pada ban so bien. Enzo ma bihe pa bo yeto chanta mane yere walma do mo yeto bo han chanta yu le ka betara to Dagbon machine spanking ki nan ko kan cham to ko ne ba ka ba tuma yi bi ni to ko nan to mi ka pa to yera ma jouer pam to ko to zan da yi ti yelle na ama njane yera ma bi Tichele ka nama yin betul mama suni tu suni kabe na dabba tu ko ngai tu ma ka sulo de tu suni sulo nyele jela ka tu ma sulo apa ni ma bin sha sulo ni da ni ma bin sha sulo ti ma sulo ka bo har tam ne bi yara ya ro le cham tu pam beki yimi be yara pam den zo har yo man to bo na bo har nyelba ammi bin ya kaza ka bi yelma kam bo har be ni jesi be me yi ko be cham bo la so pam yimi bin mo den partial ko bi yelma be me ko bi sa ka ko ba ma den zo be jini usul ya men so la ka na ma yin bien ka to son da bam da don cham ko ni when nam to da bam la to bo han ne to be pi ne ti yu ka ge ba ban ban yet ti pa tin nam to to ma so ko ba ti da kun da she ti nam yin ka ban do yu ti so so ye be pa o ba so lo so ka pa o na do me o she bi ye da de so da ban ban yet ti yu ka ge amba bi chwa ma bi yin chwa ma sarai to las tu kana ni sambani ndo assalamu alaikum kaya bongo ni ngol mana konstitution
the fire plan the community legislation mama so what is ha tahla la fila majo kadala nan to sunni kapwa tuma on ti fila shelma zumo yani dan Golden Kana, Yundin Kana, Plakatin, Kala Filama, Kabit Kamle, Kazan the two to my Indian song. The Pum Chila Ghana, a Bay African Saha, Timmy be shiny like yellow. Ghana politician, dear Fila Amana, Amparobule. The men who yell mad in Nama, and in Chaka, young political for to kuyara ka bi shabu nunda patinjin kumpo ma hati kuyira bin bayi kiti zabiyar kun katizan le halin tibba hande da bangu kan yi tinyen dirda fani shin ni so ka ta kalbin koga kar zayin gabin ni so tayati zabene katiban Dagombas ni legislation mama tempat yang nisam kata hakim dalfan
ya mamuna kapwa ko yengela paabu ko dama se himne de zani begina Dagombas dani ma ka ko yama ni Dagombas marabanunya ka ni bezinuma Dia lupa mai wala dia pam ka tla hanye sa semua bila ye proses de bamna ni jaroma ko yeti proses ma ban dependement kan za pe mando pay attention la ye to ma de kuma pam ko be zan pa uye zan pa nangoye ma nan very important nangoye divi ro kan za ha Lang kambi to akam sa hati yele de chala turi amana ko yima kali pare nungla to yi kuya kangwalge be shamni to prana na yi kansma ka sa se la nam go ma kan tozo ti to kirnga to tru abu kare kan bon ya ne otiso ala saluma tumun ba san da bi tomu ra da ya ala tumo kan ne tumo ka san new days da pa ne yi pera da par armo to rezo mane mai to shere insare da bombe sa bekino ni ya da bomna te to pa ya pam te sa so shere anti tumun to pa ma rezo be shao dim dem na mu ka dinga parity Dagbon na ta na parity za aban ni don nan ga ni
to pa pam ma bi Yusuf ne pa cher mo ma so for microphone na ku do mo ma ko be mo ma le cher no pare mo chaka ka
ni ko ba ni mo ba na ma da ba na atifiwa zanta de ba ni volonté comme na bon volonté to ka de on bo ha ni ka ko ti be to de source to ami de ba na da zan o zo ba ni ka ka ni ko ti bai no fa ma ko po de cheka to to la bi tukulia nuna hai kwenye shaka kama kwa china ya so only kind of something that's that kama china ibere regime ya polo banu ni ibere ni chika sasa hapa ndio kesho niko na pasha
to shahru to paya intaha shahru abu ma ko kan zaman ti da kwamna ta hambara tun malma the next agenda in ni titi Dagbon na ni san chan development fund ma kulo o me program share san chan development fund ma kulo so the company no kana plan no zan song to ni ka is a happen thing song da kwansha so the thing get to next program ma kulo zan ti Dagbon na me ndie yelto amati next agenda nyala nititi Dagbon development fund ma fida ka church za haban wula kati ennum do som Dagbon na kati som Dagbon ka development fund ma chamto
Exactly. Na abahama bera manan di de solo de yise katikeli yetu kame to ni bin chakam ama tana bimbe sumi da mo tare be zase hati ya $1 million zan da hati be zase ama ride da tabla de dan kana an ba ko sharma dan ka da su
to Dr. Lawi Bamba kwa hundo kwa hizo pa hiyo sura kati wongwa sima
to now this ndị mbwa sarki no pamanya biyalani na tora burma drane golo na ma zalti North America za primi zalimi North America shamira yomo za tata Canada pulo za ha kan duku bon na mbwa wulanye tonto galian no sham kana presentation to be lo kam kana to ba wala apina sub chiefs ni pulo katika aro kupanga ni sham
now the woman na kwa kumbomo
de yalmana traza ne samawani tan kwanta ma ka Virginia Atlanta yokro da bomene be boble kam atati sonimani kana tati yamti kwamba chanka so kamine kama tungo ka bombe na bon ya kaza na tuna bon so that Dagoma ne intendai so the Dagoma na di trada mene tunde tula tende tinchaka so kamza bang tenyesha so tina organize no kan de tinya dan samse de pino mo shabe ka de president Kami tu boy ni tengok ni kacil, tu boy tengok nak kacil macam.
So Dagbon bina kanama. Tisha pung magwahe Dagbon Development Fund ma. Dagbon bina boy mino pa. America over Zumzaha. Region comes out today. America. Dagbon bina yung representatives demand. At the bounty and notion, mobilizing Lorraine, young more. Katizan le Uson Dagbon. Result to me, guys here. Think guys, my Ula Katien, and go last more Kalson. Dagbon bina no man vision Shelman. Ninya, Dagbon ninya pezam le katukuyen. So many people now umbar biti shawa ungar shawa. So to Virginia, umuri shawa ina bumbum. To DC, Virginia, Maryland metro area umla. Lumla male. Ina masupa bopa. Dawa tukwa lupa. Ama shamda bumbum misa. Tutuma ina bunai. So tukwa mi. Dagbon bina ni gelti shawa. Ponghe bangkat lamda bangkam. Mumte DC mini Virginia, Maryland. Dagbon tu magat lam. Tumbal lupa. So kumabisha banda bumul ma. Ponghe mangkat share la information natin. Welcome to London. First Sunday, welcome. So banda bumul le. Tumpang tu mangkat pa. Tingin Tinggal Tishinman Nation, Tinggal to show the Dagbon. Or not mobilize Dagbon, Olympian North America. To something on Cape, to something on Dagbon. This will development fund or education. Can you come from your India? Million of compounds. Team pilgrim in Pandin Pamir and India Dagbon Development Fund added to the commission. So, when the movie Dagbon program is a day of Nation, Zampa Development Fund. When you let it divide, you won't pay. The divide the Bangna board and two. To be to mobilize the number 2 at only 1,000 by 100. 1,000 by 100, I think I need to do. Can you not come? No, you're going to $100. You compare it to 100,000. $100 in them to so. Kata pamana mampa dobi division kamari $100 na timli dingale. I told you to do this. I told you $50. Golden Lankana amount is $50. So first program number 1,000 by 100. Tinga never 1,000. Community $100. You want to go for 100,000. Oh, telling you, man, come on here now. Why did you come? I couldn't call you that. So, program number 2 then. For the gold, silver, the diamond. Gold program, man, I did $20 more than 1,000. Can you be a gold program, man? At my silver program. Now we will be shared that. I need 20 up to 500. I enroll in silver program. Can I make the diamond? Diamond on me. I need 100 now. I need 250. Can I make diamond program man? So I do program. The woman is only kind programs for teachers something I mean it has solution man. Try your mind yeah. Give me your $100 kunyan. But my no come at the missionary here. Get $100 man zoom. I couldn't get $100 man. I think you're going to be 50-50. To Virginia for a water. Tiamala committee Casabia, can you mobilize it? You can't engineer. You are not the Bambana. This was I pension. Or when I got you a crowd, I'm you get the Bambana be a DC area, one getting nation. That's not true. But that's not the problem. I can't that. From the West Coast, we will come on that. That is a high Amazon to the Dagombas. This is also a Shima team one program. To buy 200 man at the something here. I do you a legend from Fella. I'm here you a lecturer mark and mountain. I got that cheap gold program money. 1,000. Tinta 2,000 and 2,000. I will allow 1,000. I'm here a silver program man. I survived the silver program man. But Monty Tampa, I will allow 500 man. To me, Mama, I get diamond program man. I survived you need to 250. 250 man, I ain't gonna let you go, Vigela. I ain't gonna bring Vigela. So now is the money. I check one come my mini programs man down from so I will come with and channel the government Malay fundraising program shall not. I bought it like a target to so come. Then the checker IMP program setting I young how long the video that I so that I could come to DC metro area mobilize a lot of funds. So remember who's on channel the World Fund program somewhere. Look on show you ya.
So, gafara na onde suko. Nduku ya wala msauka organizers bano in charge. Not DMV area mo Dagombas Dagombas. Man gwamu pune ne kana the meeting ne ndizo ye pamka to ma punu mo aka kan pune. Ami wula ngere zampa wula katana naka dia to baba. Dubai mal sonsum wula kare nan ka to di usa. Ka do bana ba do zo ko kasi.
To ma punu mo atu Dagbon pa bisaha zanya Dagombas. Ruzo tebe ti Dagbon ma tina bi yel pa ma ka bi yani gratisan. Ruzo ti Dagbon ku nyem members na ka pa ma nyem members. Anti Dagbon ma pa me suro dinya ati $100 ka party 500 you ka desu. Dewa bishop Dagbon mo pa. Ruzo tu ku mo na Pabani be Arab come to the Capalia, the bumping never. But some of you are some Dagbon. There's all till that man meeting. Until I tell Mamma, till that man meeting, to pound among the problem no to power, teach our power. So, Tomma, till then, go back in the bird, We show my little come. You show. The guy you could do. The quality and is a lost man. But got it up to move on. So, we get look up there minimum 20,000 man. 20,000 man. So, the little bit in there. What's that London? So that we're getting, no matter what.
Answer is not.
For me, the woman that made them come no to.
Tottenham, the woman has no complaints and so on. No puso ka to ni kama ni kuna ko kana tugum la bashal dum jaba. Kana ya nan zan zuwa kwanti. Omo nyanga be yini bezina. Então, para retomar de Nash, we Bulova, Pennsylvania. To the woman now, over $1,000. We don't assist money for Virginia Dagbon Development Fund. So, we are family so easy in the market. They go national guy $1,000 now. Domin cikin dawo damba New Jersey. Kana bakin karna na bakon pishola don da kana da ba muna min United States za to ishara kana tralan bola $16,000. Kana zan can dan ka zan can tuyo Pong Mayo. To so Lanza the Zanzan Committee Soka. No number $1,000 or million younger. You can look to go on a poker. And I'm going to get it to Zara. Coca to Shinkaisi. Those $1,000 Martins on the table. Till Saka. So into Surrey, the governor, million young New Jersey. $1,000 kind of wants to challenge Mark, to challenge Martin. I mean, so you tell 2,000, 3,000, had 5,000, the bad local. We mean the Ashbury alone, the never better answer to you. Those are the millionaires now. You need a attack. When the Ashburn worker, American house will come back. Those when the millionaires now, you need a attack. The one to come Zabroma come in Shazu. Those the governor, maybe possibly one more than 1,000. That's why I'm still below 1,000. This is not good to check. Also, Sakaramade, Anachimira Pasara. Challenge is up to you now.
Not the Dagombas, you mean I ain't yes. There was some issue, can I know? Until I was young. I know what I did. People that the Baba to permanent love to cover me. This is the fire pump, Dagbon na muno nyanga bun kana bun kamna kuntiye notion bun kamna kuntiye notion bun kamna tunna katinya yawon yene ayi mu shaka a ce muka anubia no innovation so bun kana ti fira shema da ba bu kuyar muka yi si bana muka tiga me kuyar Temporary program shema muka yi shan muka so bisa min mai kai ni paper I until like 2000 kake na kwatun ne ko sobolo no I still have papa na men no 18 kake ni mo ni I until 5000 kake na yi dan mu ko na mi ko saba yi ne tin de ni baha ama da ko na ni titi la shen mo ma tu do jale cha Mbami ko yule nozani ti committee bamban ni lo ma ti mai chila 1000 ma mi the committee ma ko di mai so ti mai chila 1000 ma to ko un kamanya Não, temos que ir, mas tu que tu é o galo só. Nika me galo. So no, tu paga $1,010. I know what you are. We are trying What? No. Yeah. You pass 50 euro. For me, I can't. To where I in Yasin. No. Hey, to where I in Yasin. Nothing in my no yet character so I am nothing on the 2000. I know. About to be sent to money. I could be your other uncle. The one coming, I got uncle since when I have a year. In the 90,000, my uncle be a little yellow. Open for 90,002. I got to buy up in the Yasuma. It's all coming together. So, the water. I am not 100 man, you survive 100. You have 50 of one money, but then can you have 50? You can't go near Shelly. I mean, until 250, you chatting to only you need 250. I enter 500. You chatting about 500 man. I mean, until 1,000, 2,000. Till I will that. The quality and notion can long come any year by the parrot. I am Antilismo, Yanka saying today. The quality man. The bond development fund my tip to the man. Casual career, Naka down career night. Project Schneider Gentleman, the non well woman, the non union, the non human. So I find here Naku something. Come you come in. Yes, I like to born until the last man. Do not win that. Let it did a contribution. To quality and nation, to make anyone now need to come. Tell them to the man. Tell them to the Bambina vision man. Oh man, they're not coming. Really get me here. I didn't materially yell. Go. yellow. So it's all a paper to my some here at the yellow cube. So come on here, man, to Virginia animal. The company in what program are people children? What children do about the media? When I China comes on your Virginia animal that children show. There's a good time to consider. The company I got here. So I don't seem to the cousin what I ain't telling. I ain't telling one. I ain't telling one some kind of. I ain't telling when I tell the child. You know, like, I can't get I tell the child. I'm going to tell the child. You know, position somebody. I'm trying to see the bunch of older fun. I get money until last year. I'm bringing them what you never meet in it. It's over here to God. I'm eating out here, but it's so young. Let's take a towel.
Very now, but to organize a match. I think until they get sick. You want to organize a match, can't they get sick? I can't organize a match. You know, Virginia and I do today beat it. That's it. I'm putting on my zone now. So comes out, them put low blame. Carry the young water pull out them by. You know, the person in the band, they feel remember man. You don't put them on. When can I get the sound of it? Can I tell you phone number and money emails and questions and pies so that we can collect the data? Information shall not be then we can supplement the information, you know, that pass on.
Look at the board members. Come on, Silver. Come on, Diamond. Get me. Yaman Beshaman get the party. We are to Virginia committee 2,000. I'm a man 2,000 pounds. I'm 3,000. There's no conference right to Malakatia. This is your last mission. The women in the community channel cannot launch a program, woman. For example, constitution woman launch the Carmelia. Now you start looking at the woman. Now you start looking at the woman. Yeah. Kaya namu bang. Disabil ko ko yina. O fon ka wum. Dito sabil ko ko fon ya ka wum. Ka to na be sel ko. Ka tina ya sabil ko mi yen yel sel.
So now they say thank you guys for that. Yeah, Zalla umuna yin zama. Into 3,000. So into the challenge market, several of them. Several of them found the challenge market. You know, there's several of them. This is
challenge woman. I tell me to get yelling. No. So yeah, changing me. I'm going to switch to English right now. We have been very fortunate, and a good friend of mine once said that it's like a hyena. Anytime he gets the opportunity, he pounces on it. So we are very fortunate to have one and only one, Honorable Abdako Abraham. And we're not going to let that opportunity pass by. I don't know that the next time we'll have him. And I know if I go to Ghana, it's going to be hard to get him. Right? Thank God I don't have to queue today to see him. I don't have to see the secretary before I see him. So this is a very golden opportunity. So welcome to our community. You came at the right time, Honorable. This is the Gomba community around Metro DC. We celebrated the Eid Fitr yesterday, and we are meeting today to enjoy and also talk about development in Ghana. We have our Dagomba chief for North America, Honorable Alhaji Muhammad Umar, who came to celebrate the occasion with us, and also help us mobilize funds. I hope you have heard of the Dagbon Development Fund, and we launched some appeal for funds. Thankfully, my community didn't disappoint the chief, and I have the honor to announce that we have been able to raise 13,300 today alone. So I'm pleased to have Honorable here, and there's no other better person to talk about the essence of peace and development in Ghana. I know the cause that he has been fighting for. I know the cause that he's been fighting for in terms of transparency. We all know what is killing Africa or Ghana in that matter. No transparency. We are killing ourselves. And we have all heard what Honorable has been doing to bring transparency into our system. That alone will bring development. So I'm going to hand over to Honorable to just have a piece of word for us. Honorable, thank you very much, and thank you for making time.
So thank you very, very much for your very kind introduction. I would like to acknowledge our National Dagomba Chief, Chief Umar, the executives of the Dagomba Association in North America, and I want to say a very special Baraka de Sanla to all of you. It's been a very impressive occasion. I must say that when I was invited, I honestly thought that it would just be a few Ghanaians meeting for an Eid picnic. I did not have the slightest inkling that it was such an impressive gathering with so many of our brothers and sisters in attendance, showing their love for country, showing their compassion for the homeland, and sending a very clear message that even though we have traveled across oceans to the United States of America, we have not left home. home is not out of us, and we are still committed to advancing the cause of home. And that is a very, very powerful message. I want to salute all of you for that show of solidarity, the show of patriotism, of nationalism, and committing yourselves to help make home better. To me, that is a very, very inspiring message that I have come here to learn. I would also like to emphasize that as Ghanaians, we are all one people. We belong to that collective construct called Ghana. Ghana was put together as a unitary state by our forebears so that all of us, irrespective of background, religion, creed, ethnic identity, political idiosyncrasies, we will learn to put our country first and we will build the republic called Ghana. And so, the reason I'm excited to be here and to be part of this effort is that this is a valuable contribution towards building our nation. And you all know that as a country, we remain a shining example to many other African countries, particularly those in the sub-region. We have never had an all-out conflagration based on ethnic grounds. There's been no civil conflict. We have, since 1957, been united and committed to building Ghana. And because of that very nationalistic mindset of our first president and founder of Ghana, Dr. Dagbon, to establish secondary schools like Damasco, my own Presec, and Fansipem and others, the boarding school concept that brought everybody together. And I have always told people, and everybody knows, including my own good friend Nash, we have always been friends and brothers without really seeing any difference in whether you are from this part of Ghana or that part of Ghana. We are just Ghanaians first. We are brothers. We are brothers and sisters. We are one people. We are a family. We have a common destiny. So that conscious effort to, as it were, reduce tensions, bring all of us together, it has helped to build a united country. And now we are seeing a lot of intermarriages. As I stand here before you, I consider myself your in-law because my wife is Wala from the Upper West region. And my children belong to this association. So we are all one people. And I'm always excited when I have the opportunity to meet Ghanaians, no matter which part of the world they are and no matter which part of Ghana they come from. So let us really remember that history and that conscious effort. Even the ban on political parties that were aligned on, if you like, ethnic traditions and all of that, so that we can all come together and have a nationalistic approach towards nation building. That history should keep inspiring us. And that is why I am so glad that even though you are in the United States of America, you are still thinking about home and how to make home better. I have been briefed on all your laudable projects back home. And I want to really congratulate all of you for those sacrifices. Because we all know in the United States of America, this is the place I worked for the first time in my life as a first year student at the University of Ghana, coming here on summer vacation. And that's when I really got to learn that in America, you work for every dollar and every hour must count. Supervisors are on you, you must clock in. It's not the liberties that we take back home, So to work hard for your dollars and to decide to part with such substantial sums to develop our country is really an effort that must be celebrated. And I want to commend all of you. The news coming in today as well, that your fundraising effort just today alone has raised $13,300. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And because you have done all the hard work, it makes it easier for me to also make a little contribution to round it up. When I heard the figure, I was very happy. 13,300. So I am going to contribute $700 to make it 40,000. So that we can say that today we all raised $14,000. And that can do so much back home. I've heard of some of the initiatives, the renovation of the Bewa Palace and all of that, the educational scholarship opportunities that you are offering. It is really, 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 I get excited about these initiatives. Those of you who have followed me in my own constituency, I like such humanitarian gestures. Because really, those of us who have been blessed a little, have a little opportunity, we must always give back to society. And we must always lift people up so that they can also become not only like us, but even better than us. And so anytime I see groups, individuals working to improve the lot of the vulnerable, to improve the lot of communities, I get really passionate and excited about that example. So I want to congratulate all of you. I am so happy that you invited me because really it will have been the usual conferences and political commitments and all of that. But this is a refreshing break to come and be part of something different that will uplift our community, that will develop our country, and will make the great Dagbon. Any student of history knows that you cannot talk about the construct Ghana, and you cannot look at the great days of the empire called Ghana without the stellar and towering, iconic achievements and accomplishments of the Dagbon people, the great warriors that we were. The great warriors that we were. And it is no wonder that even when there was all of this colonialism and imperialism going on, it was a no-go area for the imperialist forces. They knew that they could not conquer you, so they did not even make the attempt. What they had to do was just stay away from you, divide the country and place a blockade and say that as for those warriors, we don't even want to go and challenge them. And some of us really wish that where we come from, our people were warriors like you were, so that in my own region, the Germans and the British and the Dutch and the Portuguese would not have come and caused all the destruction that they came to carry out for many centuries. So we are always proud of you. You inspire us a lot. And as I told you, as of me, I consider myself an extended member of the family. And we will continue to be one people as brothers and sisters to forge a better, united and peaceful country. Finally, let me commend all of you for the renewed peace in Dagbon. Now the place is stable, we are united, and anytime you hear news from Dagbon, it's about progress, it's about development, it's about one project or the other, and that's how it should be. I want to commend Chief Umar and all our leaders and thinkers who have put the past behind, have sacrificed a lot, have united, so that we will give peace a chance and our children can grow in a stable and prosperous environment. That's how we should be. And I really want to salute. So I thank you very, very much. And thank you for making my work easy, giving me an opportunity to round up the donations for today. And when you are done with your project, please invite me. I'll come to Dagbon and then we shall take part in the commission. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Wow. I don't know what to say on Dagbon, but as tradition demands, on behalf of this community, we want to thank you. Words cannot, I can see that everybody is just quiet. They are quiet because something big has just happened. We are quiet because we need such leadership in Ghana. And we are quiet because such exemplary leadership is lacking today in Ghana. And we need to see this kind of commitment. Leadership means a lot because the whole country, the whole society looks up to you. And when we fail not yourself, we fail everybody. And as I said, most of us follow you, see the kind of things that you are doing for the country, even things beyond your ability, you are able to talk about. And it's always to say the right thing, even if you cannot do it. And that is what leadership means. Thank you very much for honoring TK's sister. We don't know the kind of words to use to express our gratitude for you coming. Friends, as you mentioned, friends are always friends. And you just demonstrated that your friendship with Nash is just not talking, but you are there to support Nash. Nash is our brother, you are there to support us. And if we have this kind of leadership in the country, I believe as a country we can move forward. I'm going to pause and just have our North American chief just say a word or two before we grace the just say a word or two.
Well, I just want to thank you very much for coming in. I believe it was a short notice from Nash, but he told me that you were in town. He invited you to come here. I said, okay, let him come and pray. He consulted me if it was okay for you to come. I said, go ahead. And we are glad you are here. And like Abuka said, we have been hearing you, reading about you. And again, on behalf of everybody here, we thank you for coming in. And the contribution you have given us, even though you said it was small to add, it is the intention. It is not how big it is. It is your goodwill that you have given us this money. And sometimes someone can give you something small and to multiply to be a mountain. We thank you very much. We thank you very much. So on behalf of everybody, we sincerely thank you. And like I said, it is glad we see you here because it's very difficult to see you in Ghana or in Parliament House. And again, thank you for coming in.
All right, as I said, Honorable Abdakwa is a champion of transparency. So I want to be more transparent. Now we have $14,000 raised today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.